The fastest way to get a divorce in Santa Clarita. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you're looking to get divorced quickly and with as little hassle as possible here in Santa Clarita, you're probably asking, what's the fastest way to get it done? Let us walk you through it. The fastest way to get a divorce in California is by having an uncontested cooperative case, where both spouses agree on everything from the start. In Santa Clarita, we can file your case electronically, serve your spouse the same day, and even complete all your financial disclosures and settlement paperwork within a week. We recently helped a couple who came to us ready to move forward. We filed their case on Monday, served documents that same day, completed all disclosures and the judgment paperwork by Friday, and submitted it for court approval the following week. All done without court appearances or delays. At Divorce 661, we know exactly what Los Angeles County courts require. That means no rejected forms, no waiting around, and no mistakes that slow things down. If you want to get your divorce finalized as fast as possible in Santa Clarita, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll take care of everything, start to finish, so you can move on with your life quickly and stress-free.